All right, we are at the King Kakuji right now on one of the most insanely beautiful days I've ever seen in Kyoto. And we're just doing a little video talking about primarily camera confidence and how like being on camera is a very, very difficult thing, getting over the fear of it. But these days I've been definitely getting better with that. And despite a million people being here right now, I'm still able to film and be okay. And it took a lot of time to get to this point. I'd say like I'm still, I still have that fear, but overall I'm way better than I was back then. Just because of a quick challenge I did recently. It's my 30-day challenge of just camera confidence, being on camera, not cutting, walking around while filming, and being used to like people looking at us at the same time. Most people don't really care. They just like they look quickly and then that's it. But I'm trying to avoid a flood of people. But overall, it's been a really good experience doing this challenge and just gaining camera like confidence in general to just do your thing despite like being in a mountain of people, despite anything basically, like messing up, not saying the right things, not having the right flow, but just keep going, you know? That's the challenge that I did, just like continuously filming, regardless of how many mistakes I make. And that was the challenge, and it was hard, but this is the results of it. Like just being able to be okay and feel okay while filming yourself, like anywhere, in any situation. And especially on a beautiful day like this, honestly, like this is insane. Like, my God. And there was the view over there was even nicer. I'll go ahead and show some clips of it, but like, my God, like seriously. But I just wanted to talk about it because it's a thing that's been like something I've been doing for a while, trying to work my way up to it, and not being uncomfortable with it. But yeah, like this is just a beautiful day overall, so it makes it easier for sure. Like being in different situations obviously is going to be different, but this is this is the result, and I'm happy with it.